Nia.
Ako club na we be just lay queen.
Nide.
Papa will be trian.
Nia.
Na wako Gemini nide. Papa wa bisia nide. Na wo man na show ba nide. Eto fa ho a. Yesi e man we mu odu a nide. Na sa ko a nide. Enka ni obi ni masoro nide nide. Kennedy Bay mu nide. We dey point cranty ani bin nide. Break with the no nide. Asori no so preach here nide. Collection time later.
No. Sister Sandy be a guy. Now, Edzai.
Your castle was Sister Sandy, Nede. To us, mommy.
What's a Jerry, dear? Yeah.
Debbie. And I'm saying, oh, bad, you'll see the Jerry. Your castle say Jerry Pa, Nede. Your castle say, why put you, Nea?
Yeah, here you are.
Okay, Sister Sandy be a guy. Now, say the woman say, "Yeah, baby, try to now. Yeah, the fella na mo asisia." But before that, we patrol tie na ehye we nsoma me pa. Say dia ba ebo na manfo anya adwuma ye no tia wakra.
Na wakele.
Absa for diamond. We are fresh graduate. Looking for a way to earn a living and then make sure so be journey Absa ready to work. Virtual sessions no. It will help you transition from learning to earning. Our team of experts will be live on our Facebook page and Zoom on Thursday the 12th and then Friday the 13th of November 2020 to engage you on entrepreneurship and people skills. Remember, it's Thursday and Friday at 10 a.m. Yes, 10 It's time to get ready to work. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
So when you below my doggy, maybe if I was holiday, now Papa someone
I don't praise now a virtual now to Ashia, Nede. This year, program route to Ashia, over here, TV is one filia, Nede. Oh, data can cross so and you chat to social media, no, Nede. Over here, filia. Etiano Ashen, so what I say. Now, Go TV, so say, and can't show, say, and they, more plenty Ghanaian movies. I'm what me I enjoy on Rock GH. Now India 4 series, Adrego Z World and a face Star Live. Now my friends who is here there saying entertaining on my home. Our kids channel been to say Da Vinci Kids, PBS Kids, Discovery Family, Disney Junior, Nickelodeon, Jim Jam, and the Ghana Learning Channel for all ages. A band of football, so La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, need can be bring in English commentary, Papa B. They say Adrego and we're 24/7 entertainment overload for the whole family. It's in patrol. Where Go TV. Inactive decoder binesha corner one patrol. Corner reconnected. Let me enjoy all the entertainment overload. Let me connected from as low as 22 Ghana cities using my Go TV app. Pay by the point. And now do any bet share, any Go TV dealer behind terms and conditions apply. Go TV. Leave it. Love it. Once again, my reminder say MTN pause and chill no eguso air coso. The other say you need to end point. Now Ben Sana na is of course what your favorite mashup bundles no on *567#. Now ni nyina mu no ubetimi so atono wo MTN pause app no eso, and you stand a chance of being one of many winners to win up to 5,000 Ghana cedis. Food and shopping vouchers. Any data pina na eshase on the 1st of October, Nyamea Dumwa on the 30th of November, and Ebeba Ewie inti Aya Nawa Bomodia Ashen Sosa Edia Mae. So keep mashing up to win large. MTN Pulse, just be. We did for you everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's about that time. See, Trout Filler, Sister Sandy be a guy. I trusted that.
Yep, Mike.
Ado.
Jay.
Nah, a dear necro.
Bibi Aboko now.
Oh, Yamina don't be fine.
The J style.
Yeah, baby.
You're looking hard and all
there
that.
For you. You know
I recently asked you are popping. What popping at that?
Poppy, yeah.
Now, what popping at that? But now say popping, no. Behind us. Why am I pizza watch now? Maybe Why am I pizza watch now? Maybe the J fella and you can't tell our poppy recently.
Oh, Jay.
Maybe the Jay. Bibi, happy birthday, come on. Dr. Abednego.
Okay.
Elohim Treatment Center. Where Dr. Nyame actually spiritual eyes, the spiritual hands. Which you may run in, I would and a crada. And see, I'm an pa or one of multimedia sponsors or sponsor shows be brave.
Why are they?
It's from all of us here. We say happy birthday to you, Dr. Abednego. Elohim Treatment Center.
Sure.
Now, and then remember when from my first 15, see I selected 30, no. It's a good announcement.
All right.
It's in any channel, me fella ning na and Shoma ho fella.
Okay.
Jerry na ebia no channel, master sama agency me mama Jerry fella back till now no dey. Hey for now no dey. Omo ya form no enie enti awofo a etie enkola etie utie na say uto classmates bi din a no ma na so ate say enshoma ya fa no. Enti na me bobo first 15 no chan ya me adoma bobo first second 15. Nya odi kan ya Ajimai Bedu Gabriela. Over 10 years, Soko School of Prempeh College Experimental Basic, Ashanti Region. Second 1 year, Bridget Moko Ejay. Or 11 years, Soko School of Prempeh College Basic, Ashanti Region. Third 1 year, Alex Jenfi. Or 10 years, Soko School of Blessed Kids Academy, Ashanti Region, Tanoso. Fourth 1 year, Judith Jete. Or 13 years, Soko School of Scan Style International School, Ahafo Region. Nyo Tosunum, Aya Dina Brefo. Over 12 years, Soko School or Chidie DA Primary School, Ashanti Region. The Otosu Sylvanos Polingan, over 12 years, Soko School St. Francis RCJHS, Bunu East, Techiman. Richmond Opoku Chibo Siako, over 13 years, Soko School Afals Lovely School, Ashanti Region. 8, Anna Demensa, over 13 years, Soko School Rosan's Vineyard Preparatory, Ashanti Region. The Otoso 9, Raymond Nyako, Akwadanyame, Oko School, Liberty Royal School, Ashanti Region. 10, Kisi Emmanuel, over 13 years, Oko School, God is Able Education, Obogu, Ashanti, Akem South. Ohima Efia Krama Buama, 12 years, Oko School, KNUST Junior High School, Ashanti Region. Otoso 12, Listowell Kwatsing, over 12 years, Oko School, Bobia and Sakasi JHS, Ashanti Region. Number 13, Jacobed Miracle Mona, or 13 years, Soko School St. Andrew's Anglican School, Western Region, 2nd D. 14, Truth Ofori, or 8 years, Soko School Perfect Peace Preparatory, Western Region. Nyotoso 15, Anita Enim, or 12 years, Soko School Bethel Education Complex, Western Region. My 16 years, Sylvia Hannah Beidu, or 12 years, Soko School Amazing Child International School, Western Takrade. Next one, Mbia Precious, or 11 years, Soko School Central Star International School, Central Region, Kaswa. Nya Otosu Gamado Somwa Isaac, or 12 years, Soko School Asamai Kesi Enum MA Junior High School, Central Region. Number 19, Enoch Kakari, Great Olate Academy, Central Region, Stredro. Nyotoso 20, Belinda Opoku, or 12 years, Soko School Kwabinga, MA Zone 3, Greater Accra, Kwabinga.
All right.
It's the last 10 no chna me de beba na Shoma ne chance here kwesi ade ya live on Adum TV. Nti Shoma lovers, we are here. We share our say share ba Jerry.
And then I'm Mark Boyaka.
Oza wo mano twen eja. Shoma papa. Tinkwala ni chemo ma fo pa. Ye be shia o kwa ye be shia all line. Shoma papa ni
definitely. Bad boy Samini. Boyaka. All right, so Vodafone, I introduced you something amazing. And for some time now, I've been talking to you about it. Now, me and Kasan Sumide me huwa Jimbi. Your friend, the Vodafone Red Trader app. Yeah, I don't know. Wow. As a business owner, me are taking control of your business. One monitor sales, one taking inventory, one manage your customers near there. Why you BBA come on the same app. I'll put you to me wow. And want to me receive payments via Vodafone Cash. And I'll pay any other mobile money option beyond so. Into we a business person now, person who stay in control power of your business today. There, you need to download the Red Trader app. a Vodafone for the aba. It's in Pachoco Google Play Store here. Now download it. The Red Trader app. Now bet me enjoy a 30-day free trial. And yes, out there phrase 0302 334 040 for further information. Now ever since I meet Chatu Muno, benefits kakra me mahu ewo ho pa no. And I'm a person me no shebi. App no one thing I realize who say very easy to navigate. Enyanwon bia ukoso bibia is simple e so come pa. Now it saves you time. From manual entry task and ka be when you save you time na wa baduma ni na awiese here. You know what I'm saying? Now ode no so eto nchen kran so na e was security features. Ya che say eno no eboa e ma utimi keep track of your inventory anytime bia anywhere baby bia opebia. Say dem ka say e wo security features into the boa. Say be ya wo business information nyina no will be kept safe. Na obia entimi ehunu echira kwan. I don't so bet me take control of your business. Now, sa app we across an with information about exact inventory levels. Just be your business and all the time you stay on track. No one who dare connect their benina. It's so bet download the Vodafone Red Trader app no. Nebe boa more business now we na akosoro bibia timi akofan the man was save time on so and one year can for the amo bibia. Afe Wudin so say brana ebeje and nay new material near there baba emu ye pa it brana bejo there the one so that form come achede pi na so na ekoso in all of our branches. To the brana new designs ya be bejo there na fe so no watimi anya wache de so e de attach abusu ya fa entry ha na nyame ya adom ochan ya ka de aka no e de agum ya da mu nyina asese mo ne etna ye nyame ya adom ochan be san ne mo ahia asem ne ba